So as in the last video, we have seen that we are getting this error unexpected token F in JSON at position 7. So the same way this error comes and we will try to resolve it when we try to post it. Let's say I am posting the auth sign up route. As we have seen that we were trying to sign in up with our user interface with the full name, email and password, but it's not giving up the correct response. Okay, with the test results also we have seen it will reference object is not defined. So to solve this error for this, we have performed the following mechanism, like we will change the post route, will change the parameter in string in our given format, like we have given the email, full name and password. So hopefully this will work. If we give the double quotes here, so it will work because we have missed it. So it is unable to parse the string object for a JSON object, and now we will pass it, and in this way we will test that how the authentication token will work with the raw data and JSON object. Okay, now in this we are testing with giving the empty email. When I will send it, okay, it will give no response, and when we check the body, still unexpected token comes. Okay, so this we have missed it here. Now we will again pass it and see, now it's coming. So 500 internal error is coming. Why? So our code goes here. When we see our code, we have seen that it is not coming in sign up control also, it is coming in internal server error. Okay, so now what we have to do, there is some, we have to fulfill this condition. Password must be at least 6 characters long. Okay, and here we will give the email address. Let's say test@gmail.com I will give, and the password I will give blank, suppose. Okay, or 123 only I will give, and now I will hit it again in order to ensure that whether it works or not. Okay, so I will give a space here and again give the post token. See, the error comes, the 500 internal server error gone, and the password must be at least 6 characters. It is the, now I will give all the fields in the 6 characters and I will miss the first name. So now I will fulfill this condition. All fields are required. Okay. So this I will do here, and here again I will do the full name. So in the same way I will do the email, and if it is not empty, then again I will give the password field. So if the password is blank, or if the email is also blank, then it will ensure that all fields are required. Now I am passing it, and I will remove the full name and I will pass it. So it's coming the internal server error. So it's not passing the JSON object. Now if I will try to fulfill all the field, let's see what happens. Again it's coming. So there is some postman error is coming. It's not evaluating the logic. Okay. So now he will pass the object here. I will refresh it again. This I will close, and in authorization parameter in our body, we'll check again once again if any missing field is there, then we will evaluate that. So now we are passing the password as at least 6 characters. Again we can modify it, so to fulfill our condition. Now here we are giving the 400 response, ensuring that all the fields are required. If any full name is missing, or email is missing, or password is missing, so in order to ensure that the password length should be less than 6 characters, so I will again do it as 7, 8. Let's say I will put it more, then hopefully it should work. And now I'm passing the post response, so there are no tests applied. 500 internal server is coming. So if we preview, will set, suppose I will use, suppose I will give the password as blank, then it should come. So internal server error. So it means that our response is missing somewhere. here they are not getting it, so that's why the request object is not returning the response. Now if I would do this response, I will send it, okay, to the controller, and I will pull it the name 3456. Then I am sending the response. So again 500 internal server error is coming. So we will check for it and we'll update in the next